All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another rocket launch. I am joined with the usual suspects. Casper, Ellie, and Aiden is hiding around over there somewhere, and we are at the Windsor Fairgrounds. Today we're going to feature some improvements and some new designs in our rockets. I'll just show you the rocket fleet as I talk you through some of the changes. As you can see, there's more rockets than usual, and that's because we have 4 brand new designs, rockets of multi-stage, where the booster will light and send the rocket in the air, and then the second stage will light mid-air, sending it higher. We've got 4 of those to try out. We're not sure how that's going to work. We're hoping it's going to work well. I've also introduced parachutes to some of the rockets. I can't remember which ones, so we'll see when we see. And of course, we've improved our engine locking ring. And all these changes are meant to get us back to rear deployment, which maybe next time we'll be ready to try that again. All right, are we ready to load them up?
I think so.
All right, here we go.
You talk about this, or what's going to happen?
I'll talk about this one. All right, well, this is just a windsock. We'll give you the usual display of the rocket before we load it in. It's just another windsock. It's got a C12-4. It'll go about 1,000 feet and let us know what's going on up there. Standard rocket, kind of cool fins. Let's see how she goes.
3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, of course it's
Nice and straight.
and deployed.
It has deployed. What's it? It's got a streamer. It's coming this way. Oh, it's really close. It's really close. Boom! All right, what do we have?
This rocket we have here is called Flea. It has a C motor, a C65. Should be going about 1,000 feet. And it should reach 204 miles per hour.
Wow. All right, let's give it a go. This is a black powder motor, which is an SD style. And we just stumbled into some. Granddad gave us a bunch, so we're kind of used up some of those. Let's see how she goes. Here we go with a Flea with a C65 black powder rocket. All right, count us down.
3, 2, 1.
Ballistic.
Right in front of that building I landed.
No, it's right here on the track.
Oh, well,
It's a lot closer, but it did go ballistic. All right, Casper, tell me about this rocket.
This rocket is called the Needle. It has a C67. It should go about 1,000 feet like the previous one, weighing only 5.2 grams.
Yeah,
52.
52 grams.
Oh, well, and it should reach 208 miles per hour.
Awesome, let's try it out.
3, 2, 1.
Bad connection, but it's up and good.
Right into the fucking bird.
Very high. It has deployed, and I've got it. Uh-oh. I think it's gonna end up
There's the engine right there.
in the pit.
No, that's close enough, I think.
Is it gonna make it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we got it.
All right, we got it back. Fantastic.
Right in the other debris as well.
Cool.
This is windsock number 3, our first multi-stage rocket of the day. We expect it to go about 163 miles per hour and a height 710 feet.
So what kind of motors are in there? I think it's a B0 booster.
B60
Yeah.
for the booster, and then for the regular one, I'm not sure. Does it say on here? Do you have
It is on there. I think it's a B64.
It is it's a B6410.
Fantastic. It's a B64
Sorry about that.
in the sustainer. Well, it's our first multi-stage rocket in a really long while, and the first designed by us. Let's put it on a launch pad, see how we fare. All right, it's our first multi-stage rocket designed by us. Let's see how she goes.
3, 2, 1.
It's go, it's still gonna go. All right, so that did not work out the way we wanted it to. And sorry for the rough camera work, but we had to run. All right.
Want to film the next one from behind the car?
No, I think the next one will be better. But let's have a look at some of the wreckage. As you can see, the first phase melted through this rocket and then melted that one.
Did the second phase ignite?
No, it did ignite, but it just sat there and melted. So that was interesting. Well, let's try another one. All right, we'll do the review on this one on the launch pad. So this is very much similar to the last rocket, the one that just failed spectacularly. Same motor configuration, it's a little bit lighter. So we'll just see if this design, which is slightly different than the old design, is more functional than the last one, which was obviously a disaster. Okay, second two-stage rocket. Get ready to hit the dirt. Count us down, Casper.
3, 2, 1.
It worked!
Well, that was ballistic, though.
It's ballistic.
I hope that's not over the roof.
No, it's not. Wow.
The aft bore, all right?
All right.
This is the aft bore, another two-stager. The booster is a C60, and the main sustain is a C65, rated for 1,200 feet, 220 miles per hour.
Right, and you can see what we've done here is the last two rockets had fins on the booster. This one has no fins on the booster, and we're hoping to achieve stability with big fins on the sustainer. Let's pop it on a launch pad and see what happens.
3, 2, 1.
That did not work.
I got a pretty good perspective on that one.
Yeah.
This rocket is called Needle Nose. It's equipped with a C64, two C64s actually, and it should go about 1,300 feet, and it weighs 134 grams. It should reach 234 miles per.
Now what's happening with these is they are not reaching stability by the time they get to the end of the launch pad. So I think my two-stage design has to be improved, but we're gonna try this one and see if we can get this one to fly straight. We go.
3, 2, 1.
No! That was a huge failure.
Not done yet.
No, let's go over there and make sure it's out.
This rocket is titled the Tick. It has a D16-4, should reach 700 feet, weighing 120 grams and reaching 170 miles per hour.
This is what we're calling a faux two-stage. It is only a single-stage rocket.
But it has the fins like a two-stage.
Correct. And we're done with two stages today because we're out of them, one, and two, it was a horrible disaster.
Way
so
too crazy.
let's see how this one goes.
3, 2, 1.
Boy, we are having all kinds of stability problems today.
Tremendous. I really wish I taped that one.
Wow.
I thought that was going to be fine. What happened?
I don't know what happened. All right, here we have a ringtail that we hope is going to fit on the launch pad. I didn't test it.
This rocket is called Ringer. It has a D16-4 like the previous rocket. It's only going to go about 500 feet, and it's 99 grams, but it should reach 180 miles per hour.
Wow. Well, let's see if it even fits on the launch pad. Okay, here goes the ringtail.
3, 2, 1.
Super stable, and it's spinning, and it's deployed. Will it land in the recovery area is the only remaining question, and I sincerely hope it doesn't hit the top of that building, and it did. All right, Casper is wiring this one up. This is called the Mite. It's a D16-4. It has 2 sets of fins, aft and 4 fins in a faux 2-stage look. We've had some trouble with our forward fin stability model. Let's see if I got it right this time. All right, fore and aft fins. Casper?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, the fore and aft fin model has been a double loser. I must have made a mistake somewhere in the math on those, because they were supposed to be fine. Here is a rocket we're calling the Crab. It'll go 1,000 feet. It's got a D22 24mm rocket. It's going to go really fast because it's quite light. So 250 miles per hour. Let's see how it goes.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, we are having a rough day.
It's a crazy echo.
Yeah. Tell us about it.
This rocket is called Gatling. It has another D22-4. It should go about 870 feet and reach a speed of 180 miles per hour. Now, that is only if it reaches stability.
Yeah, which hasn't been happening today.
Not much.
At all.
Well, with one.
One.
Yeah.
One.
Out of 16.
Out of 16. Count it down.
2, 1.
Good. Good deployment. Is it coming back this way? Trees. Ah, in a tree. Wow. Well, it worked. All right, this one is called Spider. It's a D22-7. We expect it to go 633 feet, 180 grams, about 160 miles an hour. As you can see, it's a tube tail. So we'll see if we're able to get stability. And as you can also see, some of the tubes have broken, but technically should be okay. We'll see how it goes.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. Straight and slow. It's right on top of you, Ralph.
Oh, I got it.
All right. And it is deployed correctly. and we will get it back. Yay! This is a Spectre. It's an E98. We think it's gonna go about 153 miles an hour, very slow, 900 feet. Should be a slow launch. Hopefully it will reach the speed it needs to for stability before it leaves the launch pad.
3, 2, 1.
It did not achieve stability.
I don't think it did. Really? You think so?
I don't think it made stability. Man, we're having a rough day.
It's gonna take us a little while to pick up all these parts. We might need a rake.
Oh, I know, it's terrible.
This rocket is titled XXOOXX. It has a E94. It should reach 150 miles per hour at 850 feet, weighing a very heavy 213 grams.
Again, this is a slow launch, guy. Hopefully we'll reach
Hopefully it doesn't have
stability.
Hopefully it doesn't have the same fate as the previous one.
Correct.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we got to remember these motors are the ones that Granddad gave us, and they've been laying around for like 10 years. I think we have some bad motors as well, but hey, we did what we could. It did not work.
That really could not have been worse.
We got, yeah, all right. Okay, this one is called the Witch's Hat, and it is an E26-4. We expect it to go 220 miles an hour and reach a height of some number of feet, 970 feet. So let's see how we go. This is our last rocket. It's been a disastrous day. Let's see if we can have a little love on the last rocket of the day. Rocket of the day.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no. I don't even know where it is. It's deployed, but it's very, oh, I got it. It's really far away. Wait, that's not the rocket. Oh, there it is.
Only like the bottom third of the rocket, but it's there.
It didn't land on the road. Amazing. Wow.
90% of the rocket dead.
All right, it's been a terrible rocket launch today, where actually most of the rockets, like really all but like 2, ended up in a fiery disaster or a pile of powder or in a tree. So obviously I've got to revisit some of those designs I was pushing this time, pull it back a little bit for next time. We're gonna go around and pick them up right now, and we'll check in just before we go. Now we're going to ride around and pick up all the rockets that we've left behind and see what shape they are. All right, here we go. On there, get it. Ralph, and you follow with shot. Ralph, you go out and get it. Okay. All right, we've picked up all the rockets we could find, and as you can see, there was lots of wreckage because we had lots of disasters. I really did push the stability factor to the edge. So I think I got to ease off a little bit on that ratio. The marginal ratio is under 1. These were around 1, 1.25, 1.5. I might just have to get back up to like a 2.0 ratio. Anyway, not that exciting, but what happened was I tried to make the rockets really, really high performance, and they did not perform. All right, so that's been the September rocket launch. I'll be going on vacation, so you won't see me again until late October. So thank you for watching, and see you later.